Hey everyone, welcome to the Wellen channel. Today I'll show you how to edit a PDF file on a laptop. Open any browser and search for PDF editor. Click on it and go to a site like I Love PDF. Here we select the PDF file we want to edit. I don't even know. So I picked some short PDF document, anyone, and here we click on what we want to do. So we select add text, for example, and we can type something in there and so on. If you need to do more specific editing, you can use a different editor. As you can see, it already lets you edit specific text fields. There you go. Then we click Finish and click Download. There you go. So, just find the editor you need online that works for you. That's all. This was Wellen. Leave likes, subscribe to the channel, follow on Twitter or GX. The link is in my channel description. Have a great life. Good luck. See you.